Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Epson printer ET-4850 Error Code 202620. The error reads, Wi-Fi is out of service. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to use the printer, but it fails to connect to Wi-Fi. According to our research, this error may occur due to network-related issues, outdated firmware, or a faulty wireless board in some cases. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to place your Wi-Fi router next to the printer and connect them directly using an Ethernet cable. Once connected, go to the Wi-Fi settings on your printer and select Wi-Fi Direct. After that, your printer may show a message asking for a firmware update. If you see this, go to Settings and run the firmware update. Once done, test the printer. Then unplug the Ethernet cable from both ends. Now go to the Wi-Fi settings again, connect to your Wi-Fi, and enter the password. If the connection takes time, try turning the printer off and back on. If the error still comes and you are using an Epson ET-4850 which doesn't have a network port, then connect the printer using a USB cable and download Epson's firmware update. Then run the updater as an administrator. If it fails to connect to the internet and shows your printer as Epson 2850, then go to your Windows printer list and delete all Epson printer entries. After that, unplug and replug the USB cable and try again. If the error still persists, then consider using a LAN cable to connect the printer directly to your router. Once connected, check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then it may be due to a faulty wireless board. We are not 100% sure about this, and it may not be easy for everyone to verify. So we suggest contacting Epson support and reporting the issue. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.